Ever tried sending a long video on Facebook Messenger, only to realize it's way too big? I'm here to show you how to share those extra large videos, up to 1 gigabyte or even more, with just a few simple steps on your Android. Let's get into it. First, let's talk limits. Facebook Messenger itself has a cap for video files. So, if you're working with videos that are 1 gigabyte or more, we'll need a workaround. Luckily, I've got a couple of easy options that don't require complicated tools. One of the best ways to share large videos is by using Google Drive. Here's a quick breakdown. Open the Google Drive app on your Android and upload your video file. Note that Google Drive has a storage limit, so make sure you have enough space. Once it's uploaded, tap on the video and select Share. And make sure the link settings allow anyone with the link to view. Copy the link and head back to Messenger. Paste it into your chat and voila! Your friend can now watch or download the video without size restrictions. And that's it! With these tips, you can easily share long videos on Messenger without worrying about file size limits. Give it a try, and tell me in the comments which method works best for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.